yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience for your love.
If you've been paying attention, then you know something big's been coming, and it finally arrived this week, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. Fun event to do. Let me show you what we got going on here. So, like I said, I got a new toy. It's a broken toy, but I got a new toy. Here she is. Got a 2002 Suzuki GSXR1000. I won this at auction all the way just south of Portland, Oregon. Got it for a sweet deal, but it obviously has some blemishes, right? So pretty much this was a race bike from the previous owner. They had it track ready, or so they say. It was track ready. And yeah, so they laid it out. The reason you don't see more damage on this is they actually had some peg sliders on this, which is good. It did protect the bike, so you know, I've got one over here. It's a nice peg slider, but it saved this side of the bike from a lot of damage, which is great. But here's the biggest thing. Well, not fairing plastics can be replaced. Look at that hole in the stator cover. Look at that. You can see the magneto and everything. So I've already got a replacement for that. I'm hoping that when I take this off, I can pull any metal or anything, shavings that might have gone through there. I'm not sure how to flush the system really, but that's probably the scariest thing. It does turn on, but you can't run the engine. Just the you know, everything turns on without making any air lights come on. And then of course they destroyed this. It's supposed to be like that. It sheared it right out. So I've got one of those on order already. Other than that, it's got a flat tire in the back. The front tire looks like a track tire. It's just made for the track, I guess. I don't know, there's no traction on it. So that's what my assumption would be, but I've got new rubber already ordered. Boom. I got some Diablo Rosso 3s. So I'm excited about that. Put those on. Get new fairings. I'm going all back to the original design, the original color scheme for this, and this will be fun. It comes with even some Yoshimura exhaust, which will be fun to hear it when it first starts up, but I've got some work to do. So thought I'd share that with you guys, you know, those that like to watch me do this type of stuff. And I've got a new toy to play with. Now my garage is very crowded.